Previously we have done 1-24, we're going to do 1-25. In this scenario, it's going to be find the total given a part and a percent. Here we go. Let's learn with the example. Fill in the missing number. 50% of what number equals 40? So it's the same key idea discussed in the previous lesson, but if we do it in proportion style, we get 40 over n is equal to 50 over 100. Cross multiply and then you get 50n equals to 40 times 100. Then you do the math and then you get n is equal to 80. You can also do this in part equals to percentage of whole, and then which is equal to 40 is equal to 0.5 times n. Then just do the math and then you get 80 right here. So now that we found this, let's go back to the real deal. So we're going to fill in the missing number. 50% of blank equals to 48. So we're going to apply the same method. 48 over n. And there was another method in that example, so I'll do that in the second part, okay? And then which is equal to the following. 50 over 100. So this is what you should get. 48 over n equals to 50 over 100. Then just cross multiply, and then we get 5. Oops, sorry about my pen. 50n. So 50n is equal to 4,800. Again, 50n is equal to 4,800. Then just divide by 50. And then you should get as your solution n is equal to 96. So I'm going to say that it is 96. So we're going to check if it's correct or erroneous. Let's go. Yeehaw! We know it worked. That's how I do it, guys. We hope you enjoyed. So we'll see you on part 2. Hasta luego. Okay guys, this is our second part, which means it's our intro. So sorry about the questions, but let's get to it like men. 3 is 60% of what number? We're going to do the second method. Part is equal to percentage of whole. So we're going to do substitution. 3 is equal to 0.60 times n. Then just rewrite it right here. And then you have to divide it by 0.60. And then we get 5 is equal to n. So I'm going to say that it is 5. So we're going to check if it's correct or erroneous. Yeehaw! I know it worked. That's how I do it, guys. We hope you enjoyed. So we will see you on part 3. Auf Wiedersehen. Okay guys, this is our third part, so let's get to it. We're asked 408,000 is 60% of what number? Again, 480,000 is 60% of what number? So I did a terrible time with explaining the new method with you, so I'm going to make things simple on it, okay? If we know that 3 over 5 is equal to 0.60, which is 60%, we can apply that to this. Like, you would have to put 480,000 right here on the numerator, while the denominator will be x. So then I'm going to bring the arrow right here, and we're going to prove that in this scenario it's going to be multiplied by 160,000. So I'm going to write that right here. And then same thing here, but we're going to multiply it by 5. So like 5 times 160,000. so it may discombobulate you, but so this is what you should have. And then you do the math, and then you get no other but 800,000. Because if we know 16 times 5 equals 280, we can easily prove that x is going to be equal to none other but 800,000. So I'm going to write that right here so that you can understand. We're going to check if it's correct or erroneous. Let's go. Yeehaw! Well, I know it worked. Amazing, you have mastered the skill and earned a gold medal. You met a challenge to reveal your prize. And yes, I did have some trials and errors, like with the decimals, and then, you know how it is, right? I'm very sorry. But we're going to reveal our prize, just this once. Okay? Well, what do you know? A deer. Ha 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 ha. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. We hope you enjoyed. So, we will see you on the next video. Hasta luego!